Hey guys, I hope you're doing great. My name is Yuvraj and welcome to the first of many videos in this series on how to set up your own professional direct booking website, right? So this is just a first intro or a demo video, and I will show you the demo of how the site works, so you have a great idea of how exactly the things are and what you can expect from the site, right? I will show you by making a test payment on how the site works and what the backend works all. But I won't go deep into the softwares as of now because I will cover those well when I'm going through each software. So mainly we are going to use three softwares. So the front end is going to be Webflow. The back end where all the booking system functions are there, it's in Xano. It's in software called Xano, which is a back end. And we are going to use a software called Wiz, which connects the front end to the back end, right? So you don't have to, don't stress. So, okay, you don't have to go into much detail of each software. I'm going to make sure it's really easy and easy digestible uh, videos for you. So even if you're not tech savvy, even if you're not into tech world, you can still set up your own professional website, right? And if you, so this should take like around like couple of hours if you're totally new to the tech world. Um, but might be longer or might be shorter. Like, I don't know. But I will try my best, my absolute best to keep it very short, keep it very simple to understand. So you can start your, so you can set up your own direct booking website as well. But also in case if you don't have much time, don't have much free time with you, and would like me to set up the website for you, I also offer a done for you setup service for just $100, where I will set up everything from integrations and all the customizations as well. So there are around like 50 customizations. And if you don't have much free time with you, I can definitely help you with that. I can set up the website with you, set up your own direct booking website, and we can launch it in less than 24 hours, right? So let me just show you how the site works. So let's go to the screen, right? So you can see the website over here. It's a beautiful, simple, sleek, and professional direct booking website, right? Here you can see all the amenities when you click see more and see less, right? This is just an on-point website, like not any much, like not a lot of fancy stuff and all. It's just like really on point because we have a hero section, an intro section, features, amenities, and then a frequently asked questions where you can put all your check-in and check-out details, all the house rules, etc., right? So it's basically a really on-point site, right? Not much like bells and whistles, right? So let me show you how things work. So this is the calendar, and when we select the dates over here, let's say 5 nights, free guest, and when you click reserve, we are taken to the next page, the payment page, right? So let me just, yeah. Here you can see all the details, the check-in, check-out, guest, price per night, and also the amount. Right here you can see all the details. And let's just fill up this information quickly. I'll go with the demo email over here. I'm not going to use my real email, but you can because so this is where you will get the confirmation email, right? So if you're watching this video, if you're looking to try out the site, um, make sure you put a valid email because you will be receiving a booking confirmation email as well, right? So let's any phone number and on the card details. So don't worry, your card won't be charged as of now because this site is in test mode. So you can put just photo, any expiry or CVV, etc. Right? So correct. So when we click complete reservation, and it should complete the reservation, and that is done. See, that's how simple it is. That's how really like it's the site is like that's how simple it is and really easy to understand, really easy to use, right? So here you can see all the details, the check-in, check-out, guest, total payment, and address as well. And here you will have the name which I put on the um, form, right? In the input form. A confirmation email has been sent to your email address. And yeah, that's it. So let me show you another cool thing actually. So we booked for 5 nights, right? Somewhere around here. You can see the nights have been blocked, right? The nights have been blocked, and this also syncs. So I haven't connected the Airbnb yet, but this also syncs the calendar between your Airbnb, and it will block all the dates which are blocked on Airbnb. So like it will block all the dates which are booked on Airbnb, right? So it's a two-way sync, and you don't have to worry about double bookings or anything like that, because it will sync automatically. And whenever they try to make a booking on Airbnb for the same dates, the booking won't go through, and they will be blocked. And yeah, so you don't have to worry about anything about the double bookings, right? It's really, really easy. So that's how simple the booking process is. So here, when we click this, we have the explore photos. My net is low as of now. You get the deal, right? So when you click over here as well, we get the photos, right? So you can customize everything from this. So okay, so I have this background image, the fonts. You can totally change everything from it. Yeah, so the headlines, the copywriting, etc., etc. If you want to add more features, you can add more features. If you want to add more amenities, you can add more amenities as well. Everything is customizable, and please feel free to customize it just the way you want, because that's the exact point of what we're trying to achieve, right? So I want you to let your creativity run wild, and like this decor, etc., etc. It's all yours. You can customize it any way you want, right? I will go through all the customizations in another videos. So this is going to be long video series. So don't worry, I will cover each part of video in each separate videos. So it's not too much to digest, okay? So I don't want to complicate anything. I just want to keep it super simple and easy to understand. So that was the quick demo of our site. Let me know if you have any questions. And this was just the first video, the first intro type of video. And yeah, so I showed you the demo of our site, how things work. And in the next video, I will show you how to clone the project, how to clone the website, which is the Webflow site. And yeah, I will show that in the next video. I will cover that in the next video. And yeah, so let me know if you have any questions. Also, if you don't have much free time with you, and if you would like me to set it up for you, I also offer a done for you service for just $100. If you have $100 to spare, I will make all the changes for you. I will set up everything, each integration like Stripe, Wiz, Webflow, everything, plus with 50 customizations as well, like the color scheme on the site, the buttons, and the decors, or the font, the copywriting as well. So each and everything is customizable, and I will be happy to do it for you for just $100. But totally, like, if that's not what you're looking for, I'm going to absolutely make sure this is extremely easy to understand. And yeah, so anyone can set up their own direct booking website by themselves, not needing me to set it up for you. But in case if you don't have much free time, I'd love to do that as well. Right? Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.